The first thing I need you to do is get out 2.1 quiz and do that. And I need that turned in. When you're done, flip over to 2.2. We have notes to take. All right, this is 2.2. Sorry the paper's yellow and ugly, but all right. We cannot solve expressions because there are no equal signs. Instead, we just simplify them. So there's two steps to simplifying an expression. First, look for parentheses and distribute. And second is to combine the like terms. So these are both things we've done already. We're just putting them together into one big ugly problem. So the first thing I knew when I have a problem like this is I've got to distribute, because it said step 1, look for parentheses and distribute. 7 times 9 is 63x. 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. Now, this 2 right here, he's not in parentheses, so he doesn't get distributed to. He just gets brought down. So I'm going to write plus negative 2. All right, now, look, is there anybody else with the X last name? There's not, so I'm just going to write 63x negative 42 plus negative 2. Yeah, that would be negative 44. You can also write your answer to say 63x plus negative 44. Either of those is correct. Let's do number 2. Well, the first thing I see is an 18, but he is not in parentheses, so I'm just going to bring that 18 down. Now I got to do some parenthesis action. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Now I'm going to put those guys together. Bring down the 8x. 18 plus negative 10 is 8. Let's look at number 3. We got some parentheses again. So we'll start by distributing. 16x plus negative 24 plus 6x. Now we got to find our like terms. Well, 16 and 6 go together. That gives me 22x plus negative 24. Or it could just be 22x minus 24. Either way is correct. Number 4. Well, the parentheses are right in the very middle. So give me 1 sec. I'm going to add a plus negative. I'm going to put a 1 right there and make that a plus negative. Now I'm ready to go. Well, even though it's in the middle, we got to do it first. I'm going to bring down the 10 plus negative 3 times 1 is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 27 plus, and I just got to bring this negative 27x down because I haven't used him yet. Now let's see who has the last names. I'm going to start with the 10. He matches 10 plus negative 27. That's a negative 17. Negative 3x plus negative 27x. That makes a negative 30x. Now, if you lived in perfect happy math land, you would actually write negative 30x minus 17. But either way, I would count as correct because it is the correct answer. Number 5. That's kind of a long one. Blech. So it's got 2 sets of parentheses. I'm going to go ahead and say plus negative. Okay. So let's look. The 6, he's not inside parentheses. I'm just going to bring him down. Actually, I'm going to bring him right to the edge because this problem is long. 6 plus, now I've got these parentheses, so it's time to distribute. 8 times 4 is 32x. 8 times negative 7 is negative 56 plus, well, now I have a whole nother set of parentheses that the negative 1 needs to get a turn with. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2w. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. All right, now we got lots of like terms to put together. I'm going to start with my 6. He matches negative 56 and negative 1. 6 plus negative 56 plus negative 1. That gives me a negative 51. Now I got this 32x. There is no one else with the x last name, so that means I just have to bring it down. And I've got this plus negative 2w. There's also no other 2w's. So this is your answer. That's as simple as we can make it. For number 6, I would like you to try to do that one on your own. Distribute everybody out in that group, and then you'll have a plus, and you'll have these guys distributed out, and then just kind of combine your like terms, okay? However that works for you. Finish this up, hand it in to me, and I will give you credit. Thank you.